Hi guys, today I'll be making the zippy chain bracelet. And I just wanted to say, please no mean comments. I'm sorry that I'm kind of quiet, but my uncle's sleeping, so yeah, okay. So what you're gonna do is first go from this little peg to the left. And make sure that the arrows are facing away from you. So we're going to be making the zippy chain bracelet. And then you're going to put a rubber band going up. And then another one going up. And then another one going up. Oh, sorry. Another one going up. This is making like the outside of the bracelet. So yeah. Okay. And then another one going up. And then we're gonna do this all the way to the end. So yeah. Okay, so we're going to stop here, and we're going to we're not going to put a rubber band going here to here, but we're going to go in here, right there, like that. So, like that. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. So go from there to there. And then put a rubber band going up. And then just keep on going upwards. So yeah. Okay, now it should look like this. Now it's time to make the inside part of the bracelet. So we're gonna just take a color rubber band. We're gonna put it going from here to here, and then we're gonna make an arrow shape. We're going to go from here, from this left into this middle, and we're going to put in, this right going to the middle. And then there should be a rubber band here, and then an arrow, so line, and then, yeah, okay. So we're going to do that again. We're going to take a rubber band and put it going from here to here. Take another color rubber band and put it going from in this left one to this right one, up. Another one going from this blue one, like this. And then like this. And then we're going to keep on doing that all the way up. So make an arrow kind of shape. And then take that and put it going from here, and then another going here, and then taking another one. So I'll put it going from here, and then 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 here. Here, and then here, arrow, arrow, up, arrow, arrow, and up, arrow, arrow, and then up, and then arrow, and then, okay, and now we are going to add one last thingy. Ahorita. Okay, this is part 1, and you can see part 2.